हेलो एंड वेलकम स्टूडेंट। आज हम परफॉर्म फाउंडेशन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर टास्क इन गूगल क्लाउड की चैलेंज लैब को कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं। ये हमारे सेकेंड स्किल क्वेस्ट की लास्ट लैब होने वाली है। ये जो चैलेंज लैब है इसे बेसलाइन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की सभी लैब को मिलाकर बनाया गया है। सो हम पहले ही वो सब लैब कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं, तो हमें ज़्यादा इसमें समझने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। यू जस्ट हैव टू फॉलो द सेम व्हाट आई एम डूइंग। For your convenience, I will share you this document so you can complete your quest as soon as possible. Okay, so see here, you have to click on the start lab, click on I am not a robot, select the file, click on verify and launch with 3 credit. We have to wait for 1 minute. So click on the open Google console, copy the username first and for password click on the next, copy the password here, it doesn't need to log in for username too, just because it isn't need it. Click on the accept button, click on the confirm button. We are going to accept the conditions. Click on the checkbox, then agree and the continue. Then our first task is for create a bucket. Bucket name should be on GCP project ID. So click on the cloud storage. After clicking on the cloud storage, we need to click on the create bucket. Bucket name should be your project ID. So copy your project ID, paste in the bucket name, click on the continue. You have to select the region US East 1, click on the create button. What's about the second task? We have to create a PubSub topic. Click on the navigation menu, search for the PubSub. Wait for a few minutes. Now click on the create topic. So you have to give a topic ID. It's depending on yourself that what kind of name you are going to be give it. Copy the values same what I am giving. So just remove these spaces between name. Click on the create topic. Now our third task is to create a template cloud function. So what we have to do, just go to cloud function, then create a function. All details are the same. Click on the navigation menu, search for the cloud function. Just click on the create function. So we are in the task third. So you can see we have to name CF Julie. It's depending on you what you want. You can change the name by yourself. Region is going to be US East 1. Trigger is cloud storage. Event type is going to be finalize create. Cloud storage. Event name should be analyze create. Click on the browse, select the bucket name, click on the save, click on the next button, then choose node.js 10. Endpoint should be thumbnail, paste here, and we have to rewrite index.js, see here, let's copy the file, edit, paste here. Now it's time to edit package.json, copy the file here, click on the edit, select the file, paste here, click on the deploy button. We have to wait for 2 minutes. Till then we have to download an image using this URL. So copy the URL, paste on the tab, click enter, and download that image in your local drive. So save image as map.jpg. Okay, now we have to upload that file on our bucket after the function create. Click on the refresh button, check is it completed or not. Okay, it's completed. So now we have to move to the cloud storage. Select the bucket with the name of your project ID. Click on the upload file. Just upload the same file that we are just downloaded, map.jpg. Wait for 2 minutes. It's getting uploaded. So when you get the notification that a file successfully uploaded, just come here and check all the process. It's completed. Check the second process, check the third process. Now we have to remove the previous Cloud Engineer. So see, we have two username, like 1 and 2. We are logged in 1. We have to remove username 2. When we have to remove some user, we have to use the IAM and the admin. So click on the navigation menu, select the IAM, the admin. See here, navigation menu, IAM, the admin. Search for the username 2, edit and delete role. You will find here, click on the edit member and just delete that role and save. Wait for 2 minutes. It's take time. Then after, click on the check my progress. See, we just get it all over the 100 by the 100 marks. So just click on the end lab. Thank you, students.